Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Talk Time. Today's episode is all about one of our favorite topics in the world, food. Food is something that connects all of us. No matter where you come from, food is part of your culture, your family, and your memories. And today, we're going to talk about different kinds of food, how to talk about food in English, and have a fun food conversation between two friends. So get ready, maybe grab a snack, and let's talk about food. Hey Jake, have you eaten yet?
Not yet. I'm starving. I was thinking about ordering something.
What are you craving?
Maybe pizza. I haven't had pizza in a long time.
Pizza again? You always eat pizza.
I know, but it's my comfort food. I can eat pizza anytime, anywhere.
What's your favorite topping?
Pepperoni and extra cheese. Simple but perfect. You?
I like veggie pizza, mushrooms, onions, bell peppers. I feel less guilty eating it.
Less guilty. Food is meant to be enjoyed, not to feel guilty about.
True, but I'm trying to eat a little healthier these days.
Oh, really? What's your healthy meal today then?
I made grilled salmon with rice and steamed vegetables for lunch.
Wow, that actually sounds delicious. You're a good cook.
Thanks. I've been watching cooking videos lately. I want to learn more recipes.
Nice. I can cook too, but only easy stuff like fried rice and instant noodles.
Everyone starts somewhere. What's your favorite thing to cook?
Fried rice, definitely. It's quick, easy, and you can put anything inside.
Same. I love making fried rice with eggs and vegetables.
You know, food tastes better when you cook it yourself.
That's so true. Even simple food feels special.
By the way, what's your favorite food ever?
That's a hard question. Maybe sushi.
Sushi, nice choice. I love sushi too, but it's expensive here.
Yeah, it is. But sometimes I treat myself.
I usually go for something cheaper like noodles or sandwiches.
Oh, I love noodles, especially ramen.
Me too. Hot ramen on a rainy day, that's happiness.
Do you like spicy food?
Oh yes, the spicier the better. I love chili.
Really, I can't handle too much spice. I start crying after one bite.
Come on, you need to build spice tolerance.
No way. I prefer sweet food.
Sweet tooth, how? What's your favorite dessert?
Sweet tooth, heh. What's your favorite dessert? Sweet tooth, heh. What's your favorite dessert?
Cheesecake is good, but for me, chocolate cake wins every time.
Classic choice. You're a true chocolate lover.
Do you usually cook at home or eat out?
I try to cook at home during the week. On weekends, I eat out with friends.
Same here. Cooking at home saves money, but eating out is fun.
Exactly. Sometimes I just want to relax and enjoy restaurant food.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
There's a small Italian place near my house. Their pasta is amazing.
Oh nice. I love Italian food. Pasta, pizza, lasagna. Everything is good.
Yes, I think Italian food is all about love and cheese.
Totally agree. I could eat pasta every day.
Totally agree. I could eat pasta every day.
Not always. I usually just have coffee.
Just coffee. You should eat something.
Yeah, I know, but I wake up late and don't have time.
You can make something quick, like toast and eggs.
That's true. What about you?
I love breakfast. Sometimes I make pancakes, sometimes oatmeal with fruit.
Sounds healthy. You're really disciplined.
Not always. Sometimes I eat chocolate for breakfast.
That's my kind of breakfast. What's one food you can't live without?
Rice. Definitely rice. I eat rice almost every day.
Same. I can't imagine a meal without rice.
You're Asian, of course you can't.
True. Even if I eat Western food, I still want rice later.
Rice is life.
That should be on a t-shirt.
Good idea. Do you like trying new food?
Absolutely. I love trying new flavors from other countries.
Have you ever tried Indian food?
Yes, I tried butter chicken once. It was amazing, creamy and spicy.
Oh, I love that too. Indian food is full of flavor.
What about you? What's the weirdest food you've tried?
Maybe frog legs.
Oh, really? How did it taste?
Like chicken, I swear, it really does.
That's what everyone says, huh? I tried snails once in France.
Oh, did you like it?
Surprisingly, yes. They were buttery and garlicky.
Maybe I'll try one day.
Imagine you're opening your own restaurant. What kind of food would you serve?
Oh, that's a fun question. I'd open a cozy cafe that serves breakfast all day.
Nice. Like pancakes, waffles, and coffee.
Exactly, and maybe some sandwiches too. What about you?
I'd open a food truck that sells burgers and fries.
That fits you perfectly.
I know. I'd call it Jake's Big Bite.
That's a great name.
Thanks. You can design the logo.
Deal, but I get free burgers for life.
You got it.
Speaking of food trucks, have you ever been to a food festival?
Yeah, last year I went to a street food festival. It was awesome.
What did you eat there?
Everything tacos, grilled corn, ice cream. I was so full.
I love food festivals. So much variety.
And the smell, oh man, it's heaven.
Totally. I think food brings people together.
Yeah, eating with friends makes food taste even better.
Exactly. Good food, good company, perfect combination.
Okay, one last question. If you could eat only one dish for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Only one. That's so hard. Maybe sushi.
Sushi again. You really love it.
I do. It's fresh, light, and you can eat it anytime.
I choose burgers. I never get tired of them.
Classic Jake.
What can I say? Burgers are my soulmate.
Haha, that's a funny way to say it. All right, now I'm hungry after all this food talk.
Same here. Let's go grab something to eat.
Great idea. What are we having?
I think I'll go with pizza surprise.
Haha, no surprise at all. Okay, pizza it is.
Let's go before I change my mind.
You'll never change your mind when it comes to food.
True. Food always wins.